This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. I gotta drain the boiler down, change this relief valve and that tank, check that tank. But the tank's bad. You can see it's building pressure. So that tank's gotta be replaced. And the relief valve too. While I'm at it, I'll change that. But when I started it was at 20, so that tank is no good. We'll drain it down and drain the boiler down. I'll go right out the window with it, or in the... Yeah, it's not that hot. I could go right in the toilet with it, I guess. Alright, shut the boiler water off. Going right out here, right out the window with a hose. All the supplies I'm gonna shut. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna shut these two returns off. And I'll leave this one open. I gotta purge all these zones after. What a shitty ass setup. So this will drain the pressure off the boiler. And change that relief valve. Change that tank and that relief valve. There shouldn't be no water in that tank. I guarantee there's water in it. That's a little higher than this. It might be a little bit of water in there, but not much. I'll get the other one prepped. Put a little fritz on there, Mom. A little dope, a little fritz. That should come right off. That should come right off. Thing's loose as a goose. She's loose as a goose. Look at that. That ain't good. I can move it by hand. That's not good. Like I said, there might be a little bit of water in there. But nothing. He's loose as a goose, Mama. I gotta get some new jaws for this thing, or a new pipe wrench or something. That'll be an issue. I'll put my rag over the control in case any water comes. I won't ruin the control. Put my rag over the control.
Guaranteed that the expansion tank's a problem. Guaranteed. We'll put a new relief valve on there and a new expansion tank and purge the zones. We should be good. 30-pound relief valve. Pressure relief. I'm go crazy with it. Tank, that's gonna be heavy. He's got a flower vase in the back there catching the water. Take that out of there. The tank is bad. Most likely. We'll find out if it's bad or not. With a two-pipe system here. Probably full of water. It's gonna be one heavy unit, man. I'll get it out of there and we'll show you when I get it out. Guys, the thing's full of water. That thing's 100 pounds. Alright, we'll shut it off there. Let me get this outside and put the new tank on. That's a problem. I knew the tank was bad. Just how it was acting. The tank's good. There shouldn't be any water in it when you drain it. All the air in the tank should push it right out. The air on the diaphragm side. Alright, I don't have to go crazy with this. We'll turn the water back on, bleed the radiators, purge the zones. Oh, that's the baseboard for the basement, I think. That's this one. All these other ones, we're gonna do all three anyway while I'm here. Make sure that there's no, so we're getting a good flow here. It's the basement. We'll do all three. I'm not too worried about the storage tank. Well, first floor and second floor will do. Put all the supplies open. Right out the window here with it. Not a big deal. Do the first floor, give that a good douche. That's first floor. Give that a good one. First floor's home. Alright, I did the first floor. I did the first floor zone also. Got to give it a good purge, get all the air out of it. Open up all these returns. Three returns open. Now zone 3 is on priority. That's the hot water. It's gonna run. Once the hot water tank gets warm, then the other zones will kick in if the thermostats are calling, which I turned them down so they're not. Alright, so I put the data on the tank. I put the data on the relay. New zone relay, relief valve, expansion tank, purge zones. All the returns are open, all the supplies are open. Pressure looks good at 20. That tank was definitely bad. I got it outside, I got a hole in it. I left it out front for him. This other stuff I'm going to leave here for him. He's not home. I guess his sister's here or something, so leave the parts for him. Should do it.